We should bait birds. Let's get bird bait, put it outside, and try to kidnap a bird. They're communicating.
Yeah, it's a nice day.
Oh, now they're talking. Now they're gossiping. Hold on. If you hear me, make us. You know what's crazy? I know they're listening. Because when I was younger, you ever hear the one that goes, ooh, 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 in the morning, and then you just hear the.
No, what is it?
Like the insect?
No.
Yes, you do. Before you go to your bus stop, and it's gloomy outside, and it feels like 2015 all over. Actually, you graduated 2015. It feels like 2011, and all you hear is, ooh, ooh, ooh.
I don't know. Those are Jersey birds. Those are not the birds.